Myself, Himanshu Sharma, on the behalf of Team Physio Inculcator, I would like to welcome you all in our today's session. Today we have a very eminent personality with us, a great teacher, a great orator, a great researcher, a great sports physical therapist, Dr. Jitendra Munjal sir and Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am. So we are really honored to have both of you on the board with us, sir. And it is really a matter of honor for us that you spared your precious time to share your incredible knowledge with us. And we are so much obliged to you for agreeing to deliver your talk with us on the board. And it is a matter of immense pleasure for us. Dr. Jitendra Munjal, sir, as you already, the name is itself an introduction, but still, it is my responsibility as being a moderator for the session. So I would like to give a brief gist of you, because it would be a less if I'll talk about one day for you. That would be even not enough for you. So Dr. Jitendra Munjal sir is a sports physical therapist, has been post-graduated in the sports physical therapy from GNDU Amritsar in 2005. He is having around more than 15 years of the experience. Dr. Jitendra Munjal has a personality of excellence, personality of ethics, discipline, and commitment to the profession. Dr. Jitendra Munjal has been received numerous awards and achievements in their life in the physical therapy, and he had a lot of contribution in the field of research in the physical therapy also. Dr. Jitendra Munjal recently has received an award by Government of India titled Healthcare Excellence Award. It has been received in year 2019, and just back to that, he has also been received by a Manav Seva Prerna Award in the 2018 in an international conference, and he is having around more than 15 national as well as international publication by their own name. And Dr. Jitendra Munjal also served as a physical therapist in the Indian sports team in the 2 cricket matches in 2005 and 2010, as well as in the India versus Sri Lanka match and India versus England match. Dr. Jitendra Munjal also been served as a physical therapist in the Commonwealth Games in 2010 itself, and he's also been an eminent research scholar for the Jamia Hamdard University, Delhi. So I would like to say welcome to you, sir, and thanks to you from the core of my heart. Today, the topic is a topic of the day and much needed topic for this scenario, physiotherapy in the post-COVID area. Now, we have 2 eminent personality with us to share, to discuss the things, the ethics, the administration, and the physical therapy and its perspective in the clinical perspective, even in the academic perspective. So, the one resource person is the Dr. Jitendra Munjal sir. Another we have an eminent academician, a well-known personality and personality of excellence, a great teacher, Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am. Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am is also a senior sports physical therapist. She has also done their specialization in sports physical therapy in the 2005. Dr. Kalpana Jutsi is a well-known personality in the field of physical therapy. She is also having a numerous awards by their name. She has also received as a significant contribution award for the professional contribution in the field of physical therapy 2 times, in the 2013 as well as in the 2014, for their significant contribution and their dedication towards the profession. Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am has also received an award by the Ministry of Home Affairs titled Excellence Award, Excellence in Physical Therapy in 2018 and in the 2019 as well as in the 2 times consecutively. Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am also received award named as Bhagirathi Award in the 2017 itself, and there are lots of and numerous awards and achievements by their name. There are a lot of things to discuss about the Kalpana Jutsi ma'am. The name is itself enough. She is a personality of excellence, ethics, and perfection in the physical therapy. Ma'am is also having more than 15 years of the experience in the physical therapy. She is a great teacher. She is a great researcher in the physical therapy. Ma'am is also working currently as an associate professor in the Jamia Hamdard University, Delhi, and She is also eminent resource scholar for the Jamia Ahmedabad University, Delhi. Ma'am is having more than 45 publication by their name, national as well as international, and has received numerous awards for their significant contribution and for their uh, extinguished or exemplary contribution in the research in the physical therapy. So I would like to welcome you, ma'am, and say thanks to from the core of my heart for sparing your precious time, sparing your precious, sharing your precious knowledge with the participant. And we are really obliged to you both for their continuous support, love, and blessing. We are really feeling honored, even much honored, to have both of you on the board with us. And again, I would like to say sorry to you even for some delay from my side due to some technical and connectivity issue. And I believe that you would apologize me for this inconvenience, and thanking you from the core of my heart for being with us and for sparing your incredible knowledge with us. So today in this talk, we will have a very good discussion, very good informative discussion, knowledge sharing by two eminent personality and excellent personality in the field of physical therapy. Welcome to you all. Welcome to you both. Similarly, I would like to welcome to all the participants, all the senior academicians, senior physical therapists, my teachers, Dr. Charu Sharma, Dr. Harsh sir, for continuously supporting and joining and blessing us. We are really obliged to all of you and thankful to all the participants for being so much patient with us on these all the sessions. Thankful to you all, and again thankful to the resource person of the day, Dr. Jiten Munjal sir and Dr. Kalpana Jutsi ma'am. Today I am here. I would like to be. I would like to deliver my best, and welcome to you, sir. Over to you, sir. Jiten Munjal sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Dr. Himanshu sir, can you please unmute Kalpana madam?
Yeah, definitely, sir. Definitely. I'm just doing. Now done, sir. They can unmute themselves. Yeah, done.
Thank you, Himanshu sir.
Ma'am, most
Good
welcome.
evening,
I am
all.
the student, ma'am. I am the student.
Good evening, all. At the very outset, we wish to thank Physio Inculcator Group for giving us this opportunity today and waiting patiently for our dates. We are humbled by the way that you are offering quantum of knowledge and learning across the globe. And there's no sorry, ifs and buts, because this is new for all of us. So no sorry, no thank you. Now, as per the need of the hour, we have tried bring before you all the topic that touches everyone's skin, though seldom deliberated. Because as this is the period of uncertainty, nobody knows what next. Therefore, the topic of the discussion for the session is physiotherapy post-COVID-19 era.